Hey everyone! Today, we're bringing you the delicious recipe for Bánh Hỏi, a special Vietnamese cuisine eaten at special events. Instead, we will bring the special event right into our kitchens. Let's start cooking. Here's what you'll need. 4 packets of Bánh Hỏi roasted pork. Preferably the belly cut, as roasted pork belly is more than just meat. It's like a yummy flavor adventure that dances on your taste buds, kind of like a tasty party in your mouth. 6 stalks of scallions, 3 cucumbers, and vegetable oil. Begin by boiling a large pot of water. While the water is heating up, layer each individual Bánh Hỏi in a hash pattern in a strainer. Pour the boiling water over the strainer into the Bánh Hỏi, soaking it to cook. Allow between 1 minute and 15 seconds to 1 minute and 30 seconds to fully expand. Next, submerge the Bánh Hỏi into cold water for 1 second to immediately stop the cooking process. Carefully, take each Bánh Hỏi and roll up, placing it on a separate plate. Imagine Bánh Hỏi as a flavor package. Soft noodles, grilled meats, herbs, and sauces team up in each roll, creating a delicious bundle for your taste buds. Cutting roasted pork demands caution. Keep crispy skin intact for maximum flavor. It is the soul of the dish. Each slice showcases culinary finesse and expertise. Each slice should have similar thickness. Too much pork can overpower the whole meal and can kill any meaning and symbolism of the dish. Maintain equal portions just like a healthy diet. Cut the scallions into a small bowl and pour around 3 tablespoons full of oil. Microwave for 40 seconds to cook. By microwaving, you do not only cook the onions, but also help release the vibrant aroma. Just look at how the onions glisten. To make the fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of pure fish sauce, 1/2 tablespoon of fresh lemon and lime juice, and 3 tablespoons of water. Mix together, and if you like spicy, add hot chili. Sprinkling hot chili into fish sauce livens up the taste, giving your palate an exciting twist. Serve by topping off with the roasted pork belly and garnishing with fresh cucumbers. Enjoy! Thank you and see you again soon. Remember to like and subscribe for more homemade recipes coming your way.